Ever wonder how the biggest machines tackle the toughest jobs? Oversized loads, insane terrains, and split-second decisions. This is heavy transport like you've never seen. Dive in for thrills and genius at work. This railcar is the star of today's Special Forces training session. It's all set up for counter-terrorism drills with just a tiny detail missing, some electrical tape. The setup is flawless except for a missing piece of electrical tape. But here's the kicker. They're hauling oversized cargo with zero safety measures, no traffic escorts, and no clear route. This oversight could lead to significant risks in real-world scenarios. Ever seen two trucks back-to-back pulling off a stunt like this? Look, if the driver pops the front gear up, it's smooth sailing. By lifting the front axle, weight distribution shifts effectively, enhancing tire grip and enabling smoother extraction from muddy terrain. Try that next time.
Oh, he down on the blade. Oh my God. Oh my God. My God. Oh my God. Oh.
Oh my gosh! Total destruction in a split second. Ladies and gentlemen, we're discovering a frozen Yakutian road where a Volvo rescue vehicle is battling gravity to save an American truck dangling off a cliff. The tension is palpable as the winch strains, ice cracks beneath the tires. One wrong move and it's over. This is high-stakes drama in the harshest conditions. Dude, that DT250 stunt was next level. No driver, just remote control, maneuvering that beast across a bridge that could barely hold it. The tension was real. These guys are total daredevils. It's risky, no doubt, but you gotta admire their precision. That's not something you see every day. Testing a truck's limits is one thing, but doing it on a winding mountain road with a massive load is another. This is the ultimate stress test, pushing everything from traction systems to hydraulic brakes to their absolute peak. Would you dare to take on this challenge? Guys, we are witnessing a piece of history disappearing right before our eyes. The DAB City Bus 15 to 1200C, an icon of Copenhagen streets for 15 years, being scrapped. It's like watching your favorite movie character die. Nostalgic, tragic, and unforgettable. Seeing this super trailer in action is like watching a giant crawl across the earth. The 111-meter length and 360 wheels provide a near-perfect weight distribution. Testing performance under such massive loads is an endurance challenge for both equipment and operators. Truly, a masterpiece of human ingenuity. Imagine the tire repairman's joy when this beast pulls up to his shop. Ah, Big Kate. I remember when she was just a blueprint. Now she's out there, moving Earth like a beast. 10 million pounds of steel, scooping 100 cubic yards in one go, reaching 140 feet deep. Can you even imagine the power behind that bucket? Now that's what you call earth-shattering power. Here's the Mack R600, a classic American heavy-duty truck produced by Mack Trucks, Inc. While production stopped in the 1980s, it's still highly regarded for its durability and power. On the resale market, you'll find these legends priced between $10,000 and $50,000 US, depending on condition and modifications. Watching it pull those massive logs shows why it remains a reliable workhorse to this day.
No lo suelta.
How do you even begin to navigate a 210-ton substructure through such narrow roads? The answer lies in precision engineering and flawless execution. Every centimeter matters, demanding careful calculations and expert coordination. The crew's dedication and skill transform what should be impossible into a remarkable demonstration of engineering mastery. Hey gearheads, check out this vintage case tractor show. A robust four-wheel drive machine demonstrates peak torque and traction. Observe the power transfer through its drivetrain, ideal for heavy-duty farm work. It's great to see the progress being made in renewable energy. These wind turbines are a key part of the transition to a cleaner future. The logistics of building these wind farms can be challenging, but companies like Felbermayr are making it happen. Their expertise in heavy transport and lifting is essential for getting these massive components to remote locations. I'd love to see this in person. It's like watching a real-life Transformers movie. Wow! The Northwest team is assembling the LTM-1750 with precision engineering at its finest. The Bluetooth-controlled crane is set up in under an hour, a true leap from the traditional crawler cranes. Every measurement, from the rotor connection to the tail assembly, is calculated to perfection. Safety protocols are solid, efficiency is unmatched. This is engineering excellence at work. In the heart of heavy industry, a Nederhof Zenebogen crawler crane embarks on a critical mission, transporting a 13.5-ton diving element. Every detail, from the hydraulics to the tracks, screams innovation. It's like watching a giant mechanical ballet. Who wouldn't be fascinated by this? Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Amidst the chaotic clash of machinery and nature, the Backactor 1100 powers through like a mechanical predator. Built by Shipyard de Dong for the Dutch dredger Van Oord, it stands as a testament to engineering prowess, defying the unforgiving environment with calculated precision and unmatched strength. I'm impressed with the trailer's responsiveness. The hydraulic system allows for fine-tuned adjustments, vital when navigating tight corners and uneven terrain. The CB radio communication ensures seamless coordination among the crew, crucial for safety. One downside is the slow speed, but that's expected with such a massive load. Today's challenge, the mighty Hyundai Trago 520 automatic faces off against brutal mountain curves. The driver's focus is intense, making sure air pressure is topped off before every reverse. Those narrow curves are brutal, but this truck just muscles through. Respect to the driver's nerves of steel and precision. A masterpiece in motion, the Waikato Explorer Tour, with JA1240 leading the charge, roared through the stunning New Zealand landscapes. Its powerful presence shook the rails, conquering every mile with ease. Sunlit skies, magnificent steam, pure magic on tracks. Never miss a chance to capture such glory. Relocating a town like Malmberget, Sweden, is no small feat. With structures as heavy as 210 tons, including the sensitive Hoyersbacka Villa, known for its fragile chimneys, precision is essential. Mamoet, an industry leader in heavy lifting, has spent months preparing for this ambitious operation. Yet, despite detailed planning, each phase brings new, formidable challenges. Wow! Just watched a guy hauling a tiny house behind his vehicle. It's hilarious yet impressive. I mean, we've seen massive hauls, but this mini house moving is just adorable. But how does it work? Man, that truck driver must have had a serious case of bridge overconfidence. Who looks at that rickety thing and thinks, yeah, my 18-wheeler can totally handle this? Chile's got some wild roads, but this is next-level crazy. Holy gears. Here's the multi-lift with manipulator. Hydraulics engaged, load secured. Precision's critical as the operator balances torque and tilt. A flawless lift. Textbook execution under pressure. Man, that truck's toast. Check those toe beasts. Pure muscle yanking it free. Through the dust and chaos, the convoy charges forward like metal giants. Every obstacle is a challenge, every groan of the engine a testament to its resilience. But the mission is clear. Reach the destination, no matter what stands in the way. Driving a 471,031-pound tower across 1,040 miles of Texas roads? That's no Sunday cruise. Northwest team handled bridges, underpasses, and tight turns like seasoned pros. Now, the tower's at its destination, and the crane crew's ready to take over. It's all about skill, patience, and a whole lot of horsepower. Hats off to the team for pulling this off. Here we go! It's a display of engineering brilliance. The 125-foot, 250,000-pound cold box and the 100-foot, 44,000-pound HPLP column are being erected with pinpoint precision. Every step planned and executed with flawless teamwork. Teamwork, planning, execution. The tension's high and the payoff, absolutely incredible. The performance of Kubler and Setzer and Lay Crane was top-notch, showcasing superior handling and precision. However, there's a glaring flaw. Without skilled operators, the longevity of these machines is at risk. They excel in execution, but require more stringent training protocols to maximize their potential.
Lines up!
Watching it unload those logs is mesmerizing. But it leaves me wondering, what's the training like for operating something that powerful? And how much skill does it take to master it? Here's a lesson in problem solving. Precision and power meet in this 180-ton drilling rig maneuver. Utilizing 3 6-liners and coordinated cranes, Mammoet Netterhoff executes a flawless operation. Retracting a single outrigger to create passage demonstrates engineering ingenuity and control. Can you believe it? A 165-foot trailer hauling 260,000 pounds, making a sharp 90-degree left turn, and they had to lift it over a guardrail to get to the drop-off point. This really shows that driving a big truck is way more than just sitting high and holding the steering wheel. Meet the 98,000-pound drawbar dyno. With 4 dynamometers on the drive shaft, it creates resistance when powered, testing tractors up to 750 horsepower. Fun fact, it started as an ag chem chassis made for oil exploration in Alaska. That's a wrap on epic hauls. From precision to pure power, these giants teach us grit and genius. Drop a 1 below if you're blown away and subscribe. More mind-blowing feats are coming your way.